Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a very simple yet effective recipe for a shaving soap.
And we used to say, you can get further with a haircut and a clean shave than just with a haircut.
Everybody knows that wet shaving and using an electric razor are not the same thing.
Because I prefer the clean sweep of the tempered steel.
It is also very old school and cool. If you're interested in more soapy creations and DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Sarah's Soap. Let's get into it. The soft oils have been added to the hard oils. What I like to do is to add the bentonite clay beforehand to the oils to incorporate it really well in the mixture. So I'm gonna need 2 tablespoons for this batch. So here goes the first one. And here comes the stick blender. I'm gonna try to trap, I don't know if you can see really well, to trap the clay so it doesn't fly out. If you do it just with the oils, is you can really incorporate it very well without being afraid of accelerating trace. And we are at 47 degrees. We're going to check the lye water. Here comes the lye water. Check the temperature. It is at 49 degrees, it's pretty good. So before I forget, I'm going to add sodium lactate to the lye water. This makes unmolding very easy and it gives the soap a little shine to it. I'm going to use 1.5. So in goes the lye water. Now we're gonna start mixing. That looks pretty good. You can see the little trails. That's a nice trace. For fragrance, I'm gonna just hand mix it in because I don't want the trace to speed up too much. I want to be able to pour it smoothly into my molds. All right, so we're ready to go. I don't have so much batter left, unfortunately, but for this experiment it's gonna be enough. Directly into a shaving bowl, and we're gonna see how it looks when it's cured. If you are making it for somebody you know, make sure that it is something that fits well in the person's hand. Everyone should choose and find his own personal cup. As I told you in the earlier videos, these are the used dishes and the stick blender. I'm not gonna bother to clean it right now. I'm just gonna leave it overnight to saponify, then it's gonna be easy to clean. You take your rubbing alcohol and give it a good spritz. So here we are with shaving soap. It has rested about 2-3 days. So this mold is quite sturdy. It's the Brambleberry 12-bar round mold, so you want to stretch the mold a little bit just to make sure that the soap can easily release. The high content of castor oil can make the soap a little sticky. If you see that this happens, just give the soap a little more time. That's totally okay. So we're gonna try to unmold one of these. I like to turn the mold over because when you push here, you can see the airlock releasing if the soap is ready to come out. And there we go. This is an easy recipe that uses just one type of lye as opposed to other recipes where you have to do the dual lye. It works very nicely, gives a nice lather. By the way, you can have a look at the other video that I have where I did the shaving soap. And there you have the soap lather test. And you also can watch the dynamic speeded version. So we're going to start by placing the stamp in the middle of the soap, and then with the rubber mallet just give it a light tap. And then you remove it by gently wiggling it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you around soon.